Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Very positive closing in DFM market, that is Dubai Financial Market. I'm on the daily chart. We can see a nice green candle as we were anticipating more upside momentum. We could see after the retest of this support area, that is 5,296 points, market is been climbing up. This is very healthy. Big stocks are performing well, especially Emaar Properties, Emaar Development, Salik and many other stocks. Look at the resistance area that we have identified, that is 5,393 points. Today's high is at 5,387 points, very near to our resistance area. There are very good chances tomorrow we might see a breakout of this resistance zone. If at all market can survive above this zone, then we would consider this to be positive. If it comes down for a retest, spend some time here, still it should be considered positive. There are chances we may still continue climbing up. As of now, we can see rally has started from 5,115 points. If I have to measure the move right from the bottom till about this zone, then we are up by 5.3% already. That is from 29th of January onwards. So this is looking very good. This is looking powerful. More upside momentum is expected in DFM market. At the same time, as usual, let's identify the support. This is looking good area, that is 5,335 points. If at all market wants to come down, this is a good retest zone, and from here it can start climbing up again. If this fails to hold, then we have stronger support that has been tested already, that is 5,296 points. If it comes down, I would expect a bounce up from this area. Overall, DFM is very bullish. Market gave us an indication yesterday itself. This is the daily chart of ADX market, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Yesterday's candle was red. Right here we saw a dodgy candle into the resistance zone, and this is a sign of worry most of the time. I was expecting a continuation from here, but as I had mentioned, if at all it breaks the low, then there are chances we may see a drop coming in. Look at this. Today market broke aggressively important area of support, that is 9,590 to 9,600 points. I was expecting market would at least sustain here, and then maybe tomorrow we might see a rebound from here. That did not happen. We are straight at our next important area of support, that is 9,563. In fact, closing is below that at 9,556 points. Still, next support is at around 9,525. Hopefully market should come down. If at all it wants to, then I want to see a rebound. If at all it does not survive into this zone, then we have a support area right here, that is 9,500. That is psychological and technical support zone. If you remember, after the breakout right from this zone, we did not see a proper correction. Market was just taking a pause. Yes, we saw an accumulation phase that is quite strong enough, but today market could not pull off from this zone. So it means there are aggressive sellers in the market. We don't know if at all it was a just normal selling pressure in the market, or was it the IPO effect. People were liquidating their positions so that they can start subscribing Alpha Data IPO. By the way, I have already uploaded the video on this IPO. I will provide the iCard right at the top. Do watch that video, it will help you to make the decision. As of now, we can see a solid red candle on the daily chart. There are very good chances we may see a continuation and maybe a stabilization at the support zone. For that, we will have to wait. As I mentioned, 9,500 is good area. If that does not help, then we have 9,450 to 9,475 points. Hopefully, market should not come down deeper. We can see after a lot of struggle, market has traveled a bit up. We do not want to give away all the gains that it had made. Let's see how the market performs tomorrow. Salik today performed very well. We can see nice momentum with good volumes. First thing first, we have identified the resistance line or the trend line. We can see a breakout of this zone with this solid green candle. As we can see, this was the trend line that was acting as a support. From here it made a low till about 4.76, somewhere near the same area where previously it bounced up from, that is 4.80. And from here it's been climbing up very nicely. Good volumes are seen. Bullish price action is also seen. On the way up, it broke important area of resistance, that is 5.40. Check this out. Previously also right into this zone, we saw a rejection coming in and market dropped down. So this was the place where sellers must be waiting so that when the price comes up, they can offload their quantities. Today, right at the time of opening, immediately we saw selling pressure. Market retested this zone, that is 5.40, that was buying opportunity. And from here continuously we saw during the day it went up. In fact, it was one of the best performer. Now let me tell you, there are very high chances we may see a drop from here tomorrow or even day after tomorrow. This area is resistance market on your chart, that is around 5.83 to 5.90, or it might not even be able to reach here, and most likely we may see a drop from here. This should not be considered as negative because right from here, that is around 4.98, we are seeing all green candles. Resistance is very near. There are chances of a drop. If at all that happens, keep your stop losses very tight so that you can take your profits at the right time and it should not be converted into losses. On the positive side, if at all it peers into this resistance area and closes above this resistance zone, then also I'm expecting a retest into this zone, and then potentially we will see a continuation from here. But overall, Salik is very positive. This was the quick update. For more detailed analysis with my entries and exit, join my YouTube membership, scan the QR code. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.